I made a mini smoke machine for my Moon Knight helmet. Here's how I did it. Thanks to Kami Cosplays for the plans. I bought empty vape carts and a tiny aquarium pump and soldered them together. Using quarter gauge tubing and some hot glue, I glued them together so no air can escape. Some extra things you'll need is heat shrink, red and black wire, solder, and some hot glue. Once it was all taped together, I just threw it in the mask. The fluid inside is 100% pure glycerin. Is this something that you'll use for your next cosplay build?